Shifting mountains, a glimpse into heavy transport. Imagine the sheer power and precision required to move mountains quite literally. This is the world of heavy transport, where every journey is a monumental task, and every mile is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. You think parallel parking your pickup truck is tough? Picture this: a bustling city street, cars honking, pedestrians rushing by, and in the midst of it all, a colossal vehicle trying to navigate its way through. The stakes are high and the margin for error is razor thin. Try squeezing a 500-ton generator through a crowded city street. It's not just about the size, it's about the precision, the planning, and the sheer willpower to make it happen. Every turn, every stop, every acceleration is calculated to the millimeter. Or inching a prefabricated building across a rickety bridge. The creaking wood, the swaying structure, and the immense weight all combine to create a nerve-wracking experience. It's a delicate dance between man and machine, where one wrong move could spell disaster. Welcome to the world of heavy transport, where the only thing bigger than the cargo is the challenge. This is a realm where ordinary rules don't apply, and every operation is a unique puzzle waiting to be solved. The landscapes are unforgiving, the loads are immense, and the pressure is relentless. This isn't your average delivery service. We're talking about moving objects so large and heavy that they defy conventional methods. These are the behemoths of the transport world, requiring specialized equipment, expert knowledge, and a level of coordination that borders on the extraordinary. We're talking about moving massive objects that defy logic and strain the limits of engineering. From the initial planning stages, where every detail is meticulously mapped out, to the final execution, where theory meets reality, it's a process that demands the highest level of expertise and precision. Think giant wind turbine blades, hulking pieces of mining equipment, and even entire bridges, all carefully orchestrated to reach their destinations. Each item presents its own set of challenges, from weight distribution to route planning, and each successful delivery is a triumph of human ingenuity. It's a high-stakes ballet of logistics, manpower, and nerves of steel. Every member of the team plays a crucial role, from the engineers who design the transport plans to the drivers who execute them. It's a symphony of coordination, where timing and precision are everything. The men and women who work in this industry are a different breed. They are the unsung heroes of the transport world, facing challenges that most of us can only imagine. Their dedication, skill, and resilience are what make these incredible feats possible. They're problem solvers, risk takers, and masters of their machines. Whether it's navigating through tight city streets or traversing rugged terrain, they have the knowledge and experience to handle whatever comes their way. They are the backbone of this industry, and their expertise is invaluable. They battle tight deadlines, unforgiving terrain, and the ever-present pressure to deliver the goods, literally. Every job comes with its own set of challenges, and failure is not an option. The stakes are high and the pressure is immense, but these professionals rise to the occasion time and time again. So buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the world of heavy transport, where the impossible is just another day at the office. This is a world where challenges are met with determination, where obstacles are overcome with ingenuity, and where every successful delivery is a testament to human capability. Join us as we explore the incredible world of heavy transport and witness the extraordinary efforts that go into moving the unmovable. The Nicholas Mell Challenge: 12 modules and a race against time. This is not just a story of transportation, it's a tale of precision, teamwork, and overcoming seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Imagine this: you're tasked with transporting a massive chemical processing plant, broken down into 12 separate modules, each the size of a small house. These aren't just any modules, they are intricate, heavy, and essential components of a larger system that must arrive intact and on time. That was the challenge facing the crew at Nicholas Mell, a global leader in heavy lift and transport solutions. Their reputation for handling the most complex and demanding transport jobs was on the line. The catch? The modules had to be moved through a densely populated area, over narrow roads, and across a historic bridge with a weight restriction. This wasn't just a test of strength but of ingenuity and careful planning. This wasn't just about brute strength, it was a logistical jigsaw puzzle on a grand scale. Every turn, every road, every bridge had to be analyzed and planned for. The team had to consider not just the weight, but the dimensions and the impact on the surrounding infrastructure. Each module had to be carefully maneuvered, often with mere inches to spare. The drivers and operators had to be in perfect sync, communicating constantly to ensure that every move was executed flawlessly. The team relied on specialized trailers, hydraulic platforms, and a small army of skilled operators working in perfect sync. These weren't just ordinary vehicles, they were engineering marvels designed to handle the heaviest and most awkward loads. The pressure was immense. Delays could cost millions, and any mistake could have disastrous consequences. The crew had to be constantly vigilant, ready to adapt to any unexpected challenges that might arise. But the Nicholas Mell crew thrives under pressure. They are trained to handle the most stressful situations with calm and precision. Their confidence comes from years of experience and a deep understanding of their equipment and the task at hand. They meticulously planned every detail from the route to the weight distribution on each axle. This level of detail was crucial to ensure that the modules could be transported safely and efficiently. Every aspect of the journey was mapped out, with contingency plans in place for any potential issues. After weeks of preparation and countless hours on the road, the final module arrived safely at its destination. This was not just a delivery, it was a triumph of planning, teamwork, and sheer determination. It was a testament to their skill, dedication, and the power of human ingenuity to move mountains, or at least modules that felt like them. The celebration was not just for the successful transport, but for the culmination of a project that tested every aspect of their abilities. The crew members reflected on the journey, sharing their experiences and the challenges they faced. Each person had a unique story, a moment where they had to dig deep and rely on their training and instincts. Behind the scenes, the planning was just as intense. Engineers and planners worked tirelessly to devise solutions to the myriad of problems that could arise. Their work was the backbone of the operation, ensuring that every detail was accounted for. The history of heavy transport is filled with stories of innovation and evolution. From the early days of simple carts and pulleys to the modern marvels of engineering, each advancement has been driven by the need to move the immovable. The equipment used by Nicholas Mell represents the pinnacle of this evolution. Advanced hydraulics, computer-controlled systems, and precision engineering have transformed what was once a near-impossible task into a manageable, albeit still challenging, operation. Training is a critical component of their success. The crew undergoes rigorous training, including simulation exercises that prepare them for every possible scenario. This training ensures that they are ready to handle the unexpected with confidence and skill. Moving through populated areas also required careful coordination with local communities. The crew engaged with residents, explaining the process and ensuring that everyone was aware of the transport schedule. This community engagement was crucial to minimize disruption and gain local support. Environmental considerations were also a priority. The team took measures to protect the surroundings, ensuring that the transport had minimal impact on the local environment. This included careful planning to avoid sensitive areas and using equipment designed to reduce emissions and noise. Upon arrival, the modules underwent a final inspection to ensure they were ready for installation. This was the last step in a long and arduous journey, a moment of satisfaction and relief for the entire team. The installation process was a complex operation in itself, requiring precision and coordination. The modules were carefully integrated into the chemical processing plant, each piece fitting perfectly into place. Plant managers spoke about the importance of the modules and the impact they would have on the plant's operations. This was not just a transport job, it was a critical component of a larger project that would enhance the plant's capabilities and efficiency. The final celebration was a moment of shared triumph. The crew and plant staff came together to celebrate the successful completion of a project that had tested their skills, their patience, and their resolve. It was a moment of pride and accomplishment for everyone involved. As the camera panned out, showing the plant with the modules in place, it was clear that this was more than just a transport operation. It was a testament to what can be achieved when skill, dedication, and human ingenuity come together to overcome the impossible.